Today we're going to be looking at how to do the calculations for the lab final temperature of mixing two water samples. I'm going to give you two quick examples. One of them is if we mix 25 milliliters of cold water at 20 degrees with 25 milliliters of warm water at 60 degrees, what would the final temperature be? Well, you can actually do this in your head because since they're the same volume, you would just take the average of 20 and 60 and you would get an answer of 40 degrees Celsius. However, if you want to do the calculations for this, you would say that 25 milliliters out of 50 milliliters had a temperature of 20 degrees. We'll just say 20.0 plus the other warm water was 25 milliliters out of 50 milliliters, and that was times 60 degrees Celsius. And you're going to find out that that is going to come out to be the 40 degrees Celsius average, which makes sense. But what happens if you have an uneven amount, which is what you should do in the lab? So here we have 20 and 30, 20 of the cold and 30 of the warm. So again, it would be 20 out of 50 for this, and then times the 20 degrees. By the way, you do not have to use Kelvin for this. And then for this one, you would have 30 out of 50. So that's going to be 30 out of 50 times the 60 degrees. And when you do the math for that, you're going to come out to have an average temperature of 44.0 degrees Celsius, which makes sense because 44 is closer to 60, and that's because you had more of the warm water. And then finally, what you would do is find the percent error. To find the percent error, you're going to take the theoretical, which is what you got right here for your specific trial, minus the experimental is what you measured, divided by the theoretical times 100, and that'll give you your percent error.